It's no secret most of us have something in common when it comes to the interior design of our homes. They are cheap, easy to buy, easy to install, and are neutral enough to go with any room. Here are 10 hacks you can use to give your apartment a visible upgrade, all using products from IKEA. Turn a shelving unit into a sideboard. The Kallax isn't just useful for changing the layout of your living room. You can craft a beautiful sideboard with it as well to add some personality to your home office or dining area. Divide a room with shelving unit. One way to give your living room a completely new look is to separate it with an IKEA bookcase. This simple hack works best with Kallax unit, which are famous for being versatile starting pieces for many IKEA hacks. Use leather for a unique storage method. A leather where you can store some fluffy, color-coordinated blankets or a beautiful scarf will add a comforting, rustic elements to your living room. Paint shelves gold for an elegant touch. One of the easiest IKEA hacks you can use to revamp your apartment is to cover one or more items in gold paint. You'll need a $50 IKEA shelf with a metal frame and some gold spray paint, which you can easily buy online. Create your own terrarium with a lantern. You can build your own unique terrarium out of any IKEA lantern. All you need to do is seal the bottom pot, add some gravel and pointing soil on top. Make sure everything is adequately moisturized and plant some moss and/or succulents. Make jewelry holders out of coasters. If you often find yourself misplacing your accessories or you like to put some of your favorite pieces on display, this is another hack you can finish in a few minutes. All you'll need is some IKEA cord coasters, a roll of masking tape, and a couple of spray paint cans in your favorite colors. Revamp a stool into a statement piece. This is one of the cheapest seats you can find around, and all you'll need is a fluffy pillow and a glue gun to craft a functional, comfortable, and eye-popping piece for any room in your house. Craft a vanity out of a floating shelf. Vanities often seem like a space-hogging, unnecessary items you don't need in an apartment, especially if your place is not as big as you like. But by using this clever IKEA hack, you will wind up with a beautiful vanity that will add flair to your living room or your bathroom without taking up too much of your valuable space. Transform the bedroom kitchen cot. This simple hack is an easy way to customize your bathroom to better fit your family. This kid-friendly vanity will make all of your mornings so much easier. The Kallax Shelving Unit. This amazing hack turns your basic shelving unit from IKEA into a high-end custom installment. Not only is it beautiful, it's also functional. Use this for towels, magazine, candles, flowers, and more. With this hack, the possibilities are absolutely endless.